Are you drowning in data and looking for a seamless way to present it professionally? Discover how to transform your Angular application into PDF generating powerhouse, all in just few simple steps. Hello fellow developers and tech enthusiasts, I am Ayaz Zafar and I specialize in bringing the robust capabilities of Angular to life in innovative and efficient ways. Over the years, I have harnessed the power of Angular to build dynamic responsive web applications that not only meet user needs, but also push the boundaries of what's possible on the web. My journey with Angular started back about 10 to 12 years ago, and it's been an exciting ride of growth and discovery. One of my favorite areas to explore and implement has been PDF generation, a feature that has immense value in today's data-driven world. Let's talk about a project that's close to my heart. I recently worked with where we faced the challenge of converting complex reports into easy-to-read PDF documents. This project was not just a success, it was a testament to power and flexibility of Angular in handling diverse and complex requirements. In this tutorial, you are going to learn everything you need to know to start generating sleek, professional PDFs right within your Angular application. We'll begin by setting up your environment and then dive into choosing the right library for your needs. After that, I will guide you through implementing PDF generation, customizing your documents, and applying these skills to real-world scenarios. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only have a solid understanding of the process, but also the ability to create customized PDFs that can elevate your projects to the next level. So whether you are looking to enhance your existing Angular app or start a new project with PDF generation in mind, this tutorial will provide the insights and skills you need. So let's get started and unlock the full potential of Angular together. Let's dive right into the heart of what we are tackling today. When we talk about PDF generation in the context of Angular applications, we are looking at the process of converting information, data, and visuals from your app into PDF format. This isn't just about taking a snapshot, it's about creating a document that's formatted, styled, and tailored to your needs. Why is this important? You might ask. Well, PDFs are universally recognized. They look the same on every device and platform, making them the perfect choice for reports, invoices, user manuals, and more. By generating PDFs directly within your Angular app, you offer users seamless experience. They can derive tangible, shareable, and professional documents from the dynamic data within your app. But it is not just about creating any PDF. The real magic lies in creating PDFs that are tailored, interactive, and dynamic. Imagine generating a financial report that's not only accurate up to the second, but also formatted with your company's branding and ready to be presented to stakeholders. Or consider the convenience of users downloading the personalized invoices directly from your app. The applications are as vast as your imagination and the needs of your users. Throughout this segment and indeed this tutorial, we will explore the tools, techniques, and best practices that will empower you harness this capability. You will learn how to integrate PDF generation into your Angular project seamlessly and how to customize the output to match your specific requirements. So whether you are building an enterprise level application or personal project, understanding how to generate PDFs in Angular is a skill that will undoubtedly add value to your work. Let's get ready to transform the way you present and distribute information through your Angular applications. Now that we understand the why behind PDF generator, let's roll up our sleeves and set up our Angular 17 environment. This segment is your step-by-step guide for getting everything ready for your PDF generating journey. Even if you are new to Angular or have worked with previous versions, I will make sure you have all the tools and knowledge needed to follow along smoothly. First things first, we need to ensure that you have Node.js installed. Angular 17, like its predecessors, relies on Node.js for its package, ecosystem, and various build processes. If you haven't installed it yet or need an update, head over to the Node.js official website and grab the latest version. You can also watch one of my videos I have on my channel. So first of all, open your terminal, and if you want to check which version you have installed for the Node.js, type the command node version, type the command node -- version, or type the command npm -- version. This will tell you the npm version. Okay, and now run the command npm install angular/cli and press enter. This would install it. So this powerful tool Angular CLI lets you initialize, develop, scaffold and maintain Angular application directly from a command shell. Let me show you my Angular version that I have currently installed. Type the command ng version. So this will give you a complete information with the Angular CLI version, Node.js and npm. Okay. With the Angular CLI installed, you are now ready to create a new Angular project. So this is the command to spin up a fresh Angular app. Ng new project. Okay, this can be any name. So this command creates a new directory with all the necessary Angular files and configuration. It's like magic, giving you a solid foundation to start from. Before we delve into PDF generation, let's discuss the libraries that will aid us in this journey. While Angular doesn't have a built-in PDF generator, several third-party libraries make this task a breeze. Throughout this tutorial, we will focus on jsPDF library, known for its flexibility and features. To install it, we first need to go to that new project that we just created by using the cd command and the project name of your folder. Once you have opened the folder, you need to open it in your favorite editor. You may also open it by using the command code space dot. This will open the Visual Studio Code if it is installed and configured with your terminal. I already have created my project, so I will open the terminal here and I will run the command npm install JSPDF. Press enter. This command will add necessary library to our project, integrating it with Angular's ecosystem. Great work! You have now set the stage for all the exciting work ahead. With Angular 17 and your PDF library ready to go, you are well prepared to start generating custom PDFs. Let's open up your Angular component where we want to generate the PDF. We'll start by importing the JSPDF at the top of our file. I will open the app component.ts file and let's import it. Import JSPDF. In our component's HTML template, let's add a simple button to trigger the PDF generation. We will tie this button to a method in our component called generatePDF. Now the exciting part. Let's write the generatePDF method in our component's TypeScript file. We will create a new JSPDF instance, add some text to our document and then save it. So this is how we will do it. In the TS file, first of all, I will create my missing function. And now let's create a new instance of JSPDF. Okay, now I will add text at position 1010 on the PDF. So this 10 reflects the X position and this is the Y position in the coordinate. Next, we will save the PDF with a file name helloworld.pdf. For that, just call the save function on doc helloworld.pdf. Okay, now let's quickly try it. Open the Angular app and we remove this extra Angular bracket. Okay, now click on that and you can see that the PDF has been downloaded along with the content that I have added. With this simple code, you have created a basic PDF with the text hello world. When you click the button in your app, it should trigger this method and download the PDF to your machine. So, and there you have it, your very first PDF generator within an Angular application using JSPDF. This is just the beginning. You can add images, graphics, and style your text in various ways. As we progress, I will show you how to add more complexity and customization to your PDFs. Keep experimenting and you will be amazed at what you can create. Now that you have created a basic PDF, let's take it up a notch. Customizing your PDF can make it look more professional, reflect your organization's branding, and enhance readability. In this segment, I will guide you through the customizing fonts, layouts, and adding images to your PDFs. A well-chosen font can significantly impact the look and feel of your document. JSPDF supports standard fonts like Helvetica, Times, and Courier, and you can also add custom fonts. So this is how you can set a different font for your PDF. So after creating the instance of the JSPDF, we will use the doc.setFont and give it the font name Helvetica. Okay, so let me first download it without this font and then I will download it with that font to see the difference. So this is with the default font, and now I will uncomment this font and let's download it again and see the difference. So I think by default this is the default font that it uses, so let me use a different font. So now try it again. Alright, you can see the difference very clearly. Now let's increase the font size as well. So here I will set 22 and let me change the position a little bit, and in the text I will add hello world in Courier. Let's try it again. Alright, you can see that the font size has been increased. Remember, if you want to use a font that's not standard in the jsPDF, you will need to include it separately. There are resources and tools available to convert fonts to the format jsPDF requires. A clean and well thought out layout can make your PDF easy to read and visually appealing. So let's add a title and some structured content to our PDF. We will also adjust the margins to give our content more room. So let's open the TS file, and on the top I will create a constant. Margins is equal to top, let me set 30 here, left should be 10, right would be, and bottom should also be 30. Now let me change the font to Times, font size to 18, and let's change this text to my custom PDF title. And instead of using this, I will add the margins dot left and margins dot. Now let's give it a try again. Okay, you can see it is working. Now make some changes. Here I will add the font size 12, and let's change the text to here actually. So this was the title. After that I will add the font size 12, and then I will add doc dot text, and here I will add, here is some left aligned text with the margin left and 50 here. Okay, now let's download it again and see. So this is how it will look like. Adding images can significantly enhance the impact of your PDF. Whether it's a logo, chart, or any other visual, jsPDF makes it easy. You will need the image in the base64 format or as a URL. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, let me get a URL of an image. So let's say I want to use this image. Actually open the image in the new tab. And once it is opened, I will copy the URL. And now let's go back to the PDF code, and here I will add doc.add image. Here provide the path that you want to pass, and then give some other values, 70, 50, 50. Actually fix something. Here we should have JPEG, and here I will add margins.left and 70, 50, 50. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, now let's generate it again, open it, and now you can see that the image has been added. So remember to adjust the dimension and position according to your needs. The format of the image JPEG in this case should match the format of your image. So here are the few tips to keep your PDFs looking clean and professional. Consistency is key. Stick to a couple of fonts and colors throughout the document. Less is more. Don't overcrowd your PDF with too much text or images. Test different layouts. See what looks best for your content and audience. With these tools and tips, you are well on your way to creating PDFs that are not only functional but also visually appealing. Experiment with different styles and layouts to find what works best for your specific needs. You have learned how to generate and customize PDFs, but let's put this knowledge into a real-world context. Imagine you are developing a web application for a small business that needs to generate monthly sales report for each of its clients. These reports needs to be downloaded, professionally formatted, and personalized with clients' details and the company logo. This is perfect scenario for implementing PDF generation with jsPDF in an Angular app. Our task is to create monthly sales report for each client. The report will include the client's name, the period of the report, a summary of transaction, and total sales amount. We will also brand it with company logo. This kind of report is not only common across various industries but also greatly benefits from being in portable and professional format like PDF. First, let's set up our Angular component to simulate fetching client data and sales transactions from a service. In real world scenarios, this data would come from your backend API. Now let's generate a quick service. ng generate s data. Okay, now service has been generated, so let's open that service, and here I will simply define the client data, and within that I will add some transactions, and then we will have date, amount, and the description. Okay, and I will have multiple entries here like this. Okay, now I will create another property. Total sales is equal to, this will use this dot client data transaction dot reduce, and it will create total number of sales for us. Now let's use the jsPDF to put this data into a structured branded sales report. We will dynamically insert the client's name and the reporting period, the transaction list, and the total sales amount. Now first of all, I will inject the service that I just generated. Okay, make sure to import the inject function from Angular core. For now, I will remove everything from here in the generate PDF function. Okay, so first we will instantiate the jsPDF, then I will add the image dot add image, and here I will add the company logo. Let me grab some logo. Maybe I will get the Angular logo. Okay, so let's try this one. Copy the image URL and let's paste it here, and then I will give it the type, so it is PNG, and let me add 10 here and 5020. Okay, now let's the font family. Now let's add the font size to 18 pixels, and now let's add our doc.text monthly. Actually, let me add the template literal string monthly sales report for client name, and here I will add 60 and 20. Okay, after that I will add the font size to 12, and now I will add another piece of text. Reporting period is client this dot data service dot client data dot name, and with the parameter 60 and 30 here. Now we will add the transactions, so let y position is equal to 50, and client data this dot data service dot client data dot transaction dot for each transaction. So we will be getting every transaction in this loop. Now I will add doc dot text, and here let me add this. Here I will pick the transaction dot date dash transaction description. Also I need the transaction dot amount dot to fixed to. Okay, after that I will increment the y position variable by 10. Now after that we will add total sales doc dot set font size to 14, and doc dot text with total sales is equal to this dot data service dot total sales to fixed to, and with the y position plus 20. Okay, now at the end I will save this. Okay, now let's give it a try. So click on that, it will, if there is no error, it will download it. Click on that, and you can see that we have a logo here, then the title, and this the client name, and these are the list of all of the transactions, and this is the total sales. So with this approach you can dynamically generate personalized, detailed, and branded reports for each client, all at the click of a button. This is just one example of how PDF generation can be applied in real world scenarios. The principles you have learned can be adapted to various needs, from invoices and event tickets to educational certificates and more. Now you have the tools and knowledge to start implementing powerful PDF generation features in your Angular applications. Remember, the best way to learn is by applying these skills to your own projects and challenges. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid to get creative with your solution. Congratulations on completing this journey through PDF generation in Angular 17 using jsPDF. You have taken significant steps today, from setting up your Angular environment and understanding the basics of PDF generation to customizing your documents and applying these skills to a real-world scenario. Let's quickly recap what we have covered. Understanding PDF generation. We have explored what PDF generation in Angular entails and why it's are valuable. You have learned how to install and configure Angular 17 and jsPDF. Next, we dived into creating a basic PDF, introducing you the core functionalities of jsPDF. Next, you discovered how to enhance your PDFs with custom fonts, layouts, and images. Next, finally, we applied everything you have learned to create a dynamic real-world sales report. The skills you have acquired today are not just about generating PDFs, they are about enhancing the user experience, improving data presentation, and adding professional touches to your Angular applications. Whether you are working on a personal projects or enterprise level application, these skills can significantly impact how you present and distribute information. But don't stop here. The best way to solidify your learning is by applying it. Take a project you have working on or an idea you have and see how you can integrate PDF generation into it. Experiment with different styles, layouts, and data. And of course, if you have found this tutorial helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and leave a comment below. Your feedback helps shape future content and supports the channel. You have been watching jsTech, where we dive deep into web development skills and bring clarity to complex topics. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in your development journey. For more content like this, check out our playlist and recommended videos. If you are looking for more resources, links, or community to discuss and share your progress, check out the description below. We have got plenty of resources waiting for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future tutorials and guides. Your support means the world to us, and it's what keeps this channel growing and improving. Thank you for watching. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.